Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to blur part of a video. Let's jump straight into Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I have a video with a logo that I'd like to blur out. Let's begin by jumping over to the Effects panel and searching for Gaussian Blur. Drag the effect onto your video clip. Now select your clip and go up to Effect Controls. Under Gaussian Blur Properties, click either the square or the circle icon depending on what shape you would like your blurred area to cover. A new mask will be created in your chosen shape. Over on the video preview window, click and drag the center of the mask so it is positioned over the top of the object you'd like to blur. Then drag the handles of the mask to ensure it fits snugly around your object. Now go back to your Effect Controls panel and increase the blurriness value to your liking. This looks good, but the blur has sharp edges which could do with some improvement. To blend the blur's edges with its surroundings, simply increase the mask feather value over in your effect controls. Much better. Now, in addition to the basic controls, you may find mask expansion handy in the event you want to expand your blur beyond its mask boundary without having to move countless handles. Simply drag out the mask expansion value and your blur will expand uniformly beyond its mask boundary with minimal effort required. Also, should you wish to create a blurred vignette to amplify the focus on a central object, simply tick the inverted function and the effect will reverse, meaning everything outside of your mask will blur while everything inside now becomes the point of focus. Then adjust your mask feather and opacity to your desired effect. Now let's say you want to blur a moving object. I'll undo my previous blur and start from scratch. I'm going to select the circular mask this time. Reposition and resize the mask so that it fits tightly around your moving subject. Then, in your effect controls under Gaussian Blur, click the play button next to Mask Path to track your subject and create keyframes for the animation. Now you'll have an automatically tracked mask following your chosen subject. To finish it off, simply increase the blurriness and mask feather values to your liking. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.